Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove parental controls from Google account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to remove the parental control options here, or turn it off basically, well, this one is quite simple. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Google Play Store here, and you want to access your account at the top right of your screen. So go and just press or click on your profile icon, and in here you want to go and access your settings. So scroll down a bit here, click on settings. Now from here, you want to open up family, and inside family, you should see parental controls. So go and select that, and you want to go and just click on the parental controls are on section, and basically to toggle off parental controls. And obviously, in order for you to turn this off, you need to add, or you need to enter the pin that was set in here. So if you know it, you could just enter it in here, or you could ask your parent to enter the pin. So you can go and click on OK. Now, once you've done that, that should turn off parental control. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you could also clear the data that is stored in Google Play Store. So typically what you do is you could just basically look for Google Play Store here, press and hold on it until you see this pop up here, and you want to go and click on App Info. Now, inside App Info, you want to go and click on the force stop that you see at the bottom left here and click on OK. Click on Clear Data at the bottom right of your screen. Click on Clear All Data and click on OK. Once you've done that, you can go and close this one, click on the main menu, and click on Google Play Store. Wait for a while here until you are logged in again into Google Play Store. Now, if you click on your account at the top right and go to your settings again and visit family here, as you can see, parental controls will be turned off. But in this case, that's about it. So, for this video, avoid the like and share button and watch our next video.